Hi crypto enthusiasts, my name is Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to debunk some common cryptocurrency myths you might have come across. So without further ado, let's kick things off with the first myth. Crypto is just a passing trend. This is a common misconception, but let me tell you, cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, is here to stay. The rise of Bitcoin, coupled with the development of innovative technologies like blockchain and Ethereum, has been nothing short of revolutionary. These technologies are not just passing trends, they're redefining our financial landscape. So, if you've been thinking that crypto is just a fad that will fade away, it's time to rethink. Cryptocurrency is not a fleeting trend, it's a transformative force that's changing the world of finance. Myth number 2. Crypto trading is a gamble. This is a misconception that often deters potential traders. The reality is, successful crypto trading is not just a game of chance, but a strategic endeavor that requires understanding, patience, and knowledge. Trading in cryptocurrencies, like any other form of investment, involves risk. However, it's not about flipping a coin and hoping for the best. It's about understanding market trends, developing a solid trading strategy, and staying informed about the latest news in the crypto world. Sure, there's an element of unpredictability, as with any investment, but with the right approach, you can make informed decisions and manage your risks effectively. So let's put this myth to rest once and for all. Trading cryptocurrency isn't a gamble, it's a strategic pursuit. With the right approach, crypto trading can be a strategic endeavor. Myth number 3. Crypto is only for tech-savvy individuals. This is a popular misconception that can make the world of cryptocurrency seem intimidating to many. But let's bust this myth wide open. Cryptocurrency, much like any other technology, was complex in its early stages. However, as it has evolved, it has become more user-friendly and accessible to everyone. Platforms like Coinbase have played a significant role in this. They've simplified cryptocurrency trading, making it as easy as using a banking app on your smartphone. You can easily buy, sell, and hold different cryptocurrencies, all at the touch of a button. So, you don't need to be a tech whiz to get started with crypto. With a little bit of learning and a dash of curiosity, anyone can step into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. So let's put this myth to bed once and for all. Don't fear. Crypto is for everyone. Even my dad started learning and investing crypto. Myth number 4. Crypto is a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a widely circulated myth that has led many to believe that cryptocurrency is a quick ticket to wealth. In reality, this couldn't be further from the truth. Sure, there have been some astonishing success stories, but these are the exception rather than the norm. The world of crypto is not a lottery, it's a market. Like any other market, it requires understanding, patience, and a well-thought-out strategy. Investing in cryptocurrency isn't about making a quick buck, it's about understanding the technology, believing in its potential, and being willing to stick with your investments through the ups and downs. The market can be volatile, and overnight riches are, quite frankly, rare. So let's break the myth of instant wealth and focus on informed and patient investing. Myth number 5. Crypto is only about Bitcoin. This myth has been floating around for too long. While Bitcoin is undeniably the pioneer of the crypto world, the ecosystem is far more diverse and dynamic. Ethereum, Litecoin, and a host of other altcoins each offer unique benefits and contribute to the richness of the crypto landscape. So it's not just about Bitcoin, it's about the broader possibilities and innovative applications of blockchain technology. In conclusion, don't limit your understanding of crypto to Bitcoin alone. Expand your horizons, delve into the vast world of cryptocurrencies, and discover the potential that lies beyond Bitcoin. And there you have it, Crypto Mythbusters. 5 common myths debunked. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is a realm of continuous learning and exploration. Stay curious, keep questioning, and never stop learning. Thanks for joining me on this enlightening journey. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, happy investing.